Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Discord 2FA tested method step by step clearly. To reset your Discord two-factor authentication, start by opening the Discord app or website. Log into your account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the user settings by clicking on the gear icon in the bottom left corner. In the user settings menu, select the Privacy and Safety tab. Scroll down to find the two-factor authentication section. If you still have access to your account with 2FA, you can disable the current 2FA setup. To do this, click on Disable Two-Factor Author. You will need to enter your password and the 2FA code generated by your authentication app. Once entered, your two-factor authentication will be disabled. Now, to set up 2FA again, go back to the two-factor authentication section. Click on Enable Two-Factor Author. Follow the prompts to set up a new authentication method. You will be given a QR code or a setup key. Open your authentication app and scan the QR code or enter the key manually. Once you've added your account, the app will generate a new code. Enter this code into Discord to verify the setup. After verification, your new two-factor authentication will be active. If you're unable to access your 2FA and cannot log in, visit the Discord support page for recovery options. Select the appropriate option for Request a reset of your two-factor authentication. Provide the necessary information as prompted. Follow the instructions given by Discord support to recover your account. After completing these steps, your Discord account will be secured with a new two-factor authentication setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.